right, so to begin this project, you're going to need a slab that will fit your letter onto it. So you want to make sure that your letter can fit onto the slab that you've rolled out. We addressed rolling slabs in the last project, but just as a little reminder, if you're going to use the slab roller, the width of your chunk of clay needs to be at least as wide as the widest part of your letter. The slab roller makes things longer. It does not make things wider. If you're going to be rolling, our goal is to roll about 1/4 of an inch thick piece of clay. Whether you use the slab roller or whether you decided to roll out by hand, either way, you need to make sure that you compress both sides of the clay before you get started. Again, to make the clay stronger and also to get out any canvas texture. So make sure that you compress both sides of the clay. All right, from here, I'm gonna put my template on top of the piece of clay. And the clay should be wet, so my template should, if I press it down into it, should stick. So it lays nice and flat for you. I use a pin tool. I find the pin tool is the easiest way to get around curves fast and with the most accuracy. You can use a knife. I personally find it more challenging. So whatever works for you. So I'm just going to outline and cut out, making sure that I hold my pin tool straight up and down so that I get a nice flat edge as I go around the piece. Like I mentioned before, you want to keep your template. You might need this for the end. You might find that you just want to go ahead and use this actual piece to carve out your next piece, or to carve out the piece that's going to go on top of it. From here, I'm going to use a sponge with some water, and I just want to clean up those edges. So for period 1, this is where you want to be with your letter carved out, flat. Make sure you wrap it really well in plastic. You are going to put a piece of plastic underneath, a piece of plastic on top.